Today we're going to make really quick, really easy, and really delicious rosemary chicken in 20 minutes. Always do your mise en place. Heat 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in your sauté pan over medium heat. Add your mushrooms and sauté for 2 minutes. Remove mushrooms and set into bowl to rest. Heat 1/2 tablespoon of oil over medium heat. Season your cutlets with salt and pepper. Be sure to cover both sides. Dredge the cutlets through your flour mixture and slide them into the heated oil. Brown 1 minute on each side. Remove the cutlets to the mushroom bowl and let them rest. Heat remaining oil in sauté pan and add crushed garlic cloves. Sauté for 1 minute. Sprinkle cloves with about 1½ tablespoons of the leftover flour. Stir with spoon over medium heat for 1 minute. Whisk the broth into the sauté pan, making sure the flour doesn't clump. Continue to whisk over heat until broth bubbles and begins to thicken, about 2 minutes. Return the mushrooms and cutlets to the broth in the pan. Place the rosemary into the broth and cover the pan and reduce the heat to simmer. Cook 10 minutes. Uncover your finished, delicious dinner.